Hi, South Jersey. A good Wednesday evening to you. I'm Press of Atlantic City meteorologist Dan Skeldon. Well, I'll admit right off the bat it was a little bit nicer today than thought. Definitely a little bit brighter, and as a result, a little bit milder. Eventually, that northeast breeze picked up. It was kind of brisk. It lowered us from the 70s into the 60s, especially along the shore. And as promised, it was significantly cooler still compared to the mid-80s near record degree warmth we saw yesterday. So that promise fulfilled. But usually people don't mind if the weather is a little bit brighter and a little bit milder than forecast. South Jersey forecast tonight 51 to 54 as skies become partly cloudy. Heading into your Thursday, which should be very similar to your Friday, weather-wise, I expect. Partly sunny skies, a seasonably mild day. Our average high in the upper 60s will sandwich that. 65 along the shore, 72 on the mainland. Now, a southeasterly wind is going to be our main wind direction probably through Mother's Day. So that will probably keep the 80s away. I think Pennsylvania, Maryland, upstate New York will get warm, but here in South Jersey, 60s along the shore, 70s on the mainland. So high pressure in charge, keeping us dry. Again, clockwise flow around it will bring the wind off the ocean. Not going to be a really strong ocean breeze, but it will be a persistent southeaster southerly breeze right on through the weekend. There is a little bit of a low pressure down here trying to develop off the Carolinas. Might become a tropical storm. Yes, it's before the official start of hurricane season, June 1st. But it happens every once in a while. 43 times in over 100 years we've seen a tropical storm during the month of May. But the steering currents are weak. There's nothing to bring it up the coast. Carolinas may have to contend with a little gusty downpour action, maybe some increased surf. But this isn't supposed to be a major storm. It's supposed to be a fairly small and a weak one. And again, the steering flow brings it towards the Carolinas and not up the East Coast. Steering flow does bring sea breezes in our direction through Mother's Day, so it keeps the 80s farther inland. It keeps the 70s here in South Jersey. And with a moist southeasterly flow, we may have some clouds and fog we may have to burn off each morning. So it's not a clean, sunny forecast, but I think well, a little bit of a dirty, partly sunny one, if you will. Pollen's going to remain high. It has really during this very dry stretch. There were a few showers and thunderstorms last night. Not everyone saw them, but pollen forecast a 10 on Thursday and Friday, probably an 11 for the weekend. So allergy sufferers will continue to suffer. Here's your water temperatures, 54, so this is why it is going to stay probably in the mid-60s every day through Sunday at the shore as the wind, a light southeasterly wind, will come off that cooler ocean. Here's the Mother's Day edition of your South Jersey 7-day forecast. Notice it is mainly dry, just one chance of rain. That's not till next Tuesday. Increasingly dry weather, mid-60s at the shore through Monday, will inch up to the 70s on the mainland. Ahead of a cold front, once the wind shifts to the southwest, we may sneak in an 81-degree day, and then a little less humidity and a cleaner, sunnier, cooler forecast towards the second half of next week. Thanks for logging on to PressOfAtlanticCity.com. Have yourself a great night.